The importance and major functions of windows in the home. Dear friends, windows are a critical part of any home design. Without windows, you don't have a house, you would have a big shed. Can you imagine walking into someone's house to find there are no windows? Windows are an essential part of home construction, serving several functions. Take a look at modern architectural design, and you'll see countless window designs, from bow and bay windows to sliding glass doors. So, how many windows should a house have? Is there a minimum limit? What do the building codes say about fitting windows? There are several reasons why homes need windows. The positioning of the windows around the house and rooms, the size of the windows, and the type of windows all play a role in optimal home design. Let's look at some of the functions of windows. Lighting. Windows allow sunlight to enter the home, providing natural light into living spaces like bedrooms and lounges. Windows also allow the perfect amount of natural light in workplaces like the kitchen, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the daytime. Rooms with no daylight source feel dark and gloomy, even with artificial lighting. A windowless room creates a grim and gloomy vibe, and it's similar to painting your bedroom walls black. View. One of the biggest functions of windows is to allow residents to view their surroundings without going outside. If you have a great view, adding a bay window to the wall gives you a beautiful landscape to admire every morning. Without it, your guests wouldn't even know you have a wonderful view. Relaxing in the lounge, staring out of your bay or bow window at the landscape in the background is a soothing way to enjoy relaxing in your home. Aesthetics. Windows add an aesthetic appeal to your home. Can you imagine standing on the curb and looking at a house without windows? It would seem out of place and weird. Windows come in various designs and styles to complement the design theme of your home's architecture. Ventilation. Windows allow air to move freely through the home. It's especially important to have a window in a bathroom for this reason. While many modern homes include exhaust fans in the bathroom, older homes don't have them and rely on windows to replace the air in the bathroom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.